Hello Clashers. Only the top 5% can get a perfect score. Are you up for the challenge? What animal has the best sense of smell? Which farm animal can recognize its own name? What animal's milk is often used for cheese? Which animal has more taste buds than humans? What animal has a gestation period of approximately 114 days? What is the most intelligent farm animal? Which farm animal can see nearly 360 degrees? What animal cools itself by wallowing in mud? Which animal has split upper lips for grabbing food? Which farm bird can fly short distances? Type your answer in the comments below. Correct answers will be pinned at the top.